Okay, I get a lot of questions. I get a lot of questions about how to mount the Jconcept wheels to the ground pounder. So what you want to do is get your adapter fitted to the wheel first. Then take your Dremel tool with the grinder wheel like this. Then you go into your wheel hub. Go into the wheel hub and go around inside until your wheel hub looks like this. It's not going to be pretty, but it's the only way to get the Jconcept wheels to fit onto your ground pounder. Then you take an 8mm nut driver and you grind it down so that way it fits into the wheel hole like that. See, grind it down so it fits. And that'll fit right on to the wheel hub, and you have about right to where the blue thread lock is. Don't forget to put the blue thread lock on, because if that wheel nut comes off, it's going to be a pain in the ass to fit back on there. But that's basically how you put the Jconcept wheels and tires onto the ground pounder. So if you have any other questions, just message me and I'll do my best to help you out.